Yes, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for attention. I'm Raini Zulnia Kaputri. I want to tell you about my paper. The title of my paper is At a Glimpse of Perception, Prospective Science Teacher in the Conservation Education Study. Introduction. There are 36 conservation areas spread over the province of Bengkulu and Lampung. In Indonesia University, there is a clear distinction between scientists and science teacher. Scientists focus on pure biology and the science teacher focus learning biology. If two identities can coexist in one individual, then it can be very benefits. The concept of biodiversity conservation was adopted and become of conservation policy in Indonesia. The problem of biodiversity conservation cannot be solved simple by serious biological research and pure law enforcement. Biodiversity conservation is to live in harmony with the nature. The program about conservation education will help our students about opportunity for observation, field practice, practical laboratory, program work, internship, or adventure activity. Environment change due to human exploitation will accelerate the loss of biodiversity. So, education about tool the formation ESD with the use environment, climate change, and biodiversity. So we need better learning model to install conservation technique for children for early age. Developing effective fit and efficient natural environment is through this talk comprehensive research. Teacher need to try on given insight in developing learning with approach to the natural environment. Method: the data analysis use study of quantitative descriptive analysis. The subject is the student on 6th semester and 8th semester from the Mathematics and Natural Science Department of FKIP University Bengkulu. Result and discussion. Number one is demographic. Demographic of the subject is 89%. This is a woman, and 11 is the man. Average of the subject is 22 years. So the age of 22 years is a group of late teens, and the respondent is a science graduate. So they have a basic knowledge of science is really good about, especially biology and environment. Number two, information about conservation education course. Information about education conservation course contain 4 statement item. And result number 3 is respond the conservation education lecture about input, process, and output. In input, indicator measured by equation, and process indicator using for question. Output using for question. Discussion about the paper is prospective science teacher need to be equipped with conservation education to prepare students. But this certain not easy because science teacher before explore the character of conservation need to be equipped with understanding of the concept biodiversity. In addition, the community need to build awareness about importance of biodiversity for sustainable, such as citizen science. Simplification of concept for student society by starting important aspect of biodiversity literacy. Thank you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.